Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with an animal blog. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you an animal lover looking for ways to make money online? If so, this video is for you. We'll explore some of the different options available for making money with an animal website. From selling pet products to offering pet-related services to creating and selling animal-themed content. First, we'll take a look at making money by selling animal-related products. If you're a pet lover, one of the best ways to make money online is to sell pet accessories. There are a number of ways to do this, including setting up an online store or selling through a third-party platform like Amazon or eBay. To get started, all you need is a selection of pet accessories to sell, such as leashes, collars, toys, and food bowls. Once you've got your products sorted, it's time to create your online store. If you're selling through a third-party platform, simply create a listing for each of your products complete with photos and descriptions. If you're setting up your own store, you'll need to invest in some e-commerce software and choose a payment processor such as PayPal or Stripe. Promote your store through social media and other online platforms, and consider running ads on Google or Facebook to drive traffic to your site. Next, we'll take a look at selling animal-themed apparel. Another great way to make money online with an animal website is by selling animal-themed apparel, such as t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, hats, and more. You can either sell these items yourself via an online store or marketplace like Etsy or Amazon, or partner with a dropshipping company that will handle manufacturing and shipping for you. To get started, simply create some designs for your animal-themed apparel using graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, then upload them to your chosen platform and start selling. Another way to make money with an animal website is by selling pet food. You can either sell packaged goods like cans and bags of food, or opt for a more natural approach and sell raw ingredients that can be made into pet food at home. To get started, simply source some pet food from wholesalers or manufacturers, create listings for each product with photos and descriptions, and promote your pet food through social media and other online channels. Additionally, you could make money by offering animal-related services such as pet sitting, dog walking, or grooming. Creating a pet sitting business by offering your services to people who need someone to take care of their pets while they're away. You could also offer dog walking services for busy pet owners who don't have time to walk their dogs themselves. And if you have experience grooming animals, you could also offer grooming services through your website. To get started, you'll need to create a website and advertise your services on social media and other online platforms. You'll also need to set your prices and create a schedule for taking on clients. Make sure to provide excellent customer service and be reliable, so that people will want to use your services again in the future. There you have it. Several ways to make money with an animal website. Whether you're selling pet products, animal-themed apparel, or offering pet-related services, there are plenty of opportunities out there. As an animal lover, it's important to understand your target market and to be familiar with e-commerce and online marketing best practices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.